So I just came in my doorstep. Delivery. Yoo-hoo. What it is? I'm gonna surprise you with this one. Yes. A new gift for me. My latest drone. Hello guys. So today I got this new tech. Because you know before I have these several drones which are huge. They're big, you know, the Phantoms, the first Mavics. But there's a new tech right now which is I can see in YouTube, which is the video quality is almost as powerful as those big drones, and so I think it's true. I think the reports are true, and so if I can have a small drone, you know, with the power of a big drone, then that's it, or advantage. I can carry it in other places, I can carry it anywhere, easy to travel. And so it got delivered today. And so I'm just going to show it to you. It's the one. Okay, it's a Fly More combo, so it has bags and extra batteries in there. See, it's still in plastic. I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna open it now and let's see what's inside it. So when I opened it, there's a bag inside. So the bag is included in the package. This is amazing. Okay, the box. Let's put the bag down there. Wow, it's a bag inside. It's so portable. So I just carry it wherever I go. Just carry it like this. This is a drone. Okay. You know, I'm happy because if you know how to use these things, you can create amazing videos. But making videos is not just your camera, your equipment, or your drone. And the half part of it is the art, which happens in your computer. So that's where your talent can be seen, you know, because you can shoot in any camera, on any drone, on any camera, any expensive camera, or cheap camera, or cheap cell phone, or expensive cell phone, but your video can be trash because of editing. Editing that's how you make the video into an art, in editing. So that's how you can see the talent of the one sitting on the computer. You know, if you are an artist or a celebrity, I'm gonna tell you honestly, you are at the mercy of the editor. It's true. It's true. If the editor making your video is bad, the video is bad. Doesn't matter what camera they use, how much money they spend. If the one doing the editing is bad, the video will be bad. But if the one sitting on the computer has a great talent with editing, even if you sometimes use cheap cameras, the result will be perfect. It's like it can connect to people. Secret! I just revealed one of the secrets. Okay, so let's see what's inside this thing. Oh, how you need to open? Oh, there's a zipper here. Now I'm gonna open it. No. I don't even know how to open this thing. Oh, yes! It's open in the back. Hey, look at inside. Oh, look at the drone. Yeah, I can see it there, sitting there. And the accessories there. See? Accessories. It's always amazing to open a new thing, isn't it? So let's pull out this drone. Oh, it's so light. Oh my gosh, I'm almost carrying nothing. Compared to the drones I'm using, so heavy. I need the whole bag to carry it. This guy, like nothing. It's like just air. I'm gonna remove my face so my camera can focus on it. My gosh, wow, look at this. Look at this piece of art. You know, like technology today, they're works of art, you know. They're functional and they are works of art. And this thing can make or break your video, you know. That's how powerful it is, these flying cameras. Serious. But as I have said, another half of it is in the talent of the one sitting on the computer. That's where the magic happens. Not only on the equipment. There's a camera, there's a cover there. Wow, let's see else what's inside. The drone here. Okay. Oh, what's inside this thing? There's a... Oh, the remote control. Yeah. I almost forgot the remote control. It's wrapped in plastic. Let me open it. Let's open it so we can see what's inside. Okay. Oh, it's my first time to use this kind of remote. I've been using other drones, but this is the first time I'm gonna use this kind of remote. So this is the antenna. You can see you can take picture here or record the video. This is how you control the camera. And this has no functions, just rubber. You can see the modes here. It's like sport mode, normal mode, and cinema, you know, slow. Let's check it on cinema first, so when I fly it will be slow, avoid trouble. This is the home button, this is the power button, blip. Oh, it already has power in it, you see? Now I'm gonna turn it off, for now. Okay, did sounding. Oh, there's a function button here, another button here. Wow. And the controls are here. Look. They stick. You need to get this out and put it here. See? To put it here. My camera is not in focus. You can screw it here. Not very tight. Okay, another one here. Another one here, I'm gonna put it out. And screw it here, okay? So that's how you do it, you see? This is now the remote. Up, down. And this is, I think, is the antenna. Pull this out. This is gonna, oh, there's a cable here for my phone, so it can connect to my phone and I can see the videos from the drone while flying. And this holds my camera, and this is also the antenna. Phone should be in here, you know, like put the phone here. I'm gonna put the phone here, so like something like that. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it later, okay? Amazing. Okay. What else is in this box? Let's find out. Of course, you have the manual about everything about this drone. There, and oh, the accessories. Okay, accessories, the wings, the charger. See, oh. Look at that, some wires here. Oh, for your different kind of connections to your phone. See, the old connections. What's this? I think this is charging wire. USB charging. C port. Oh, this is the charger. It's just like a smartphone charger. It's just like my Samsung charger or your iPhone charger, you know, look. Okay. Oh, the charger itself and the battery. One battery can fly 30 minutes, maybe, they say in the internet, in YouTube. So this has 3 batteries, so 1.5 hours. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot than what you need if you're really making great videos. For a skillful drone pilot, that's a lot. 1.5 hours is a lot. Sometimes I can make it in 3 minutes or just 5 minutes, that's it. All my whole video is finished. Look, the batteries. I think one of the batteries in the drone. But this is the battery. I can think. But there's no power. Should be lighting up. I think they're all empty. I will try to pull out one battery. Oh, come on. I think I need to press it. Oh yeah, I need to press it. So this is a drone battery. It's very small than what I'm using before. Oh my gosh, how does this connect to the drone? Oh, the terminal there. Very good design, very good. So amazing. So this is the charger, the pack charger, where you put all the batteries and it will charge at the same time. So maybe if you're on a vacation, you don't need to charge it once. Just sleep, and then when you wake up in the morning, that's it. Go outside in your holiday and then shoot nice shots of the mountains, of the beach, of the forest, of your holiday, you know. So that's why they've used they supply this pack for just one charging in a day. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So but today is raining and it's already night. The delivery came already late, so I think I'm gonna show to you how this drone flies and what kind of video I can make from it on the coming days. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you learned a bit something today. Thank you. Bye bye.